If you're aging faster than you'd like, science now says these 4 supplements may help turn back the clock. What if aging isn't just inevitable, but optional? Okay, maybe not completely, but today, I'm breaking down 4 science-backed supplements that have been shown to slow, or even reverse, key signs of aging. From cellular repair to wrinkle reduction, these aren't hype, they're backed by real research. So stick around, because you might want to add these to your routine, today. Number 1, NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. NMN helps increase NAD+ levels in your body. This molecule is essential for energy production and DNA repair, both of which plummet as we age. Harvard researcher Dr. David Sinclair has called NAD+ the fountain of youth molecule. Studies in mice have shown NMN can improve mitochondrial function, boost metabolism, and enhance muscle endurance, all signs of youth. You won't feel it overnight, but taken consistently, NMN may help slow down biological aging. Number 2, collagen. Let's talk about skin, joints, and hair, because collagen is the scaffolding that holds all of it together. As early as your 20s, your natural collagen production starts to drop, leading to wrinkles, brittle nails, and aching joints. Hydrolyzed collagen supplements, especially types 1 and 3, have been shown in clinical trials to reduce fine lines, improve skin elasticity, and strengthen connective tissue. Tip: pair it with vitamin C to boost absorption. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe for more cutting-edge health tips every week. And drop a comment. What's your favorite anti-aging strategy? I read everyone. Number 3, omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. Omega-3s do way more than protect your heart. They're also powerful anti-inflammatories that protect your brain, skin, and even your telomeres, those tiny end caps on your DNA that shorten with age. Several studies have linked high omega-3 intake with slower cognitive decline, improved mood, and even fewer wrinkles due to better skin hydration. Look for high-quality fish oil or algal oil if you're plant-based. Number 4, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is a super anti-inflammatory compound that crosses the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to fight oxidative stress, one of the key drivers of aging. Research shows it may help improve memory, reduce joint pain, and even protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. For best results, take it with black pepper extract, piperine, which enhances absorption by up to 2,000%. Let's recap the 4 supplements that science says may help reverse aging. NMN boosts NAD+ for energy and DNA repair. Collagen supports youthful skin, joints, and hair. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect your brain. Curcumin, powerful antioxidant that shields your body and brain. Remember, supplements can support your journey, but they work best with a clean diet, movement, quality sleep, and low stress. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health content. And don't forget to share this with someone who's serious about staying young, inside and out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.